In this video, I'll show you how to enable voice chat on Roblox mobile in 2025 without using an ID. Make sure to like and subscribe if this helps you out. Start by opening the Roblox app, then tap on More at the bottom and scroll down to open Settings. Tap on Account Info and wait for the page to load. Now find the phone number section and tap Add Phone. Tap on the country code box and choose your correct location. Then enter your phone number and tap Continue. You will receive a verification code. But if you don't get one right away, you may need to verify your email first. Enter the code when you receive it. When asked if you want friends to find you using your phone number, select No or Yes based on your preference. Then tap Done. If successful, it will say your phone number is verified. To get voice chat without ID, you must be 13 or older and live in a supported country. Some of the supported countries include the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom, with more being added over time. Now tap the X to close. Go back to Privacy and Content Maturity. Then select Communication and choose Voice Chat. Turn on Enable Microphone and let the settings save. Then go to Content Maturity. Move the slider to Moderate and close the menu. That's it. You now have voice chat on Roblox mobile. No ID required. Like and subscribe if this helped and enjoy chatting in your favorite games.